Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw issues from Jira with watchers removed correctly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw issues from Jira with watchers removed correctly, start by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the project containing the issues you want to withdraw. Locate the issue you wish to withdraw in the issue list. Click on the issue to open its detailed view. Once the issue is open, identify the Watchers section, usually found on the right side of the screen. Click on the Watchers section to expand it. Remove all watchers by clicking the Remove icon next to each watcher's name. Confirm removal when prompted, ensuring that no watchers remain on the issue. Next, if you intend to withdraw multiple issues, return to the issue list. Select the checkbox next to each issue you want to withdraw. Go to the Bulk Change option, usually found in the top right corner. In the Bulk Change screen, choose Edit Issues. Follow the prompts to select your desired actions for the selected issues. Ensure you specifically uncheck the option to add any watchers during the bulk edit process. Review your selections carefully before proceeding. Once you are satisfied, click on the Next button to confirm the changes. On the confirmation screen, verify that all changes reflect your intentions. Then, click on the Confirm button to complete the withdrawal of issues. Monitor the issues to ensure that they appear as expected without any watchers attached. Your issues have now been successfully withdrawn from Jira with watchers removed correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.